Can I use liquid?
No. That wouldn't even help you anyway. Once you get in your mouth, you're good.
Oh.
You're laughing too hard. I can't get it in, can you?
That's a
Oh, yes, YouTube.
Way to hold it in there.
Charlie, don't be so mean.
No, I was helping him out.
I'm just worried that we're gonna go out to dinner tomorrow. He's gonna look like the Joker from the recent Batman movie because his face will be all stained from the cupcakes. Towels for you to wipe. I love that you just cleaned up the crumbs. What the crap?
That was good. Oh man. You got a big mouth.
I knew that going in.
So, the video.
Yeah, we got it.
Did it? Is it still going?
Yeah.
It's right there.